Hey guys, I'm so excited. I got my Boxycharm. Yay! So this is my Boxycharm box for January. Great way to start off the brand new year. This is a beauty subscription box where you get 5 full-size products for the price of $21 every month. And I'm going to show you everything that came in this month's box. First, you get a card. It says Rock 2018, so that's kind of like the theme. And then on the other side, it tells you what is in it and what it values for. So the first thing I'm going to show you is by IT Cosmetics, and it's Brow Power. It is their Universal Brow Pencil. This is in the color Universal Taupe. And I have not tried a brow pencil yet, believe it or not. I don't do anything with my eyebrows. Once in a while I'll use an eyebrow gel, but I have not been. So you get the side where you can brush it through your eyebrow. And then the other side is the pencil. And it looks like it just twists up. So you would draw in your eyebrows and then you'd use the other side to just brush and fluff it through. So I'm really excited to try that. The next item is by IT Cosmetics. This is a bronze and brightener. Looks like it's a palette that has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. So this is a cute little cheek palette. And these are the 3 shades that come in it. So you have Blushing Glow, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. I will swatch these for you. That's what they look like. So they look like that. Wow, that blush is like very coral, bright coral. So that's the bronzer, and then the blush is that really bright coral color, and then the highlight's like a light gold tone. So that's cool. I think it'll be fun to try those out. Now we also got Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Really excited to try this. I love trying different primers, and I tend to go for pore minimizing or illuminizing primers. And I'm just gonna try some of that. Okay, so it's a nude color, and then we'll just kind of see how it goes on. Okay, so it is a skin tone. It feels nice. It feels almost like a moisturizer. Because you know how some primers just kind of like automatically melt into the skin and you can't, like, you don't even really have time to rub it around because it just feels like it's just melting right in. Well, this feels more like a moisturizer. So I think I'll like this one a lot. Oh, and that does seem to have made a difference on my hand. So that's fun, exciting. And next is by Galactic Beauty. It's a matte lip paint. Check out this color. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is a nude color, definitely up my alley type of color I tend to go for. And we'll swatch this. Yes, that's a wonderful color for me. That's what that looks like swatched. And then the last item is an eyeshadow palette by Crown. I have not tried Crown eyeshadows. The only Crown product I've tried is actually a blush brush that came in my last Boxycharm box. So we'll take this out and then open it up. That's what it looks like. So that looks fun. I'm going to swatch a couple of these for you. So I have this color here, and then this one, and then this one. They're swatched here. And then, okay, the metallics swatch really nicely. The 2 blue-silver colors are almost the same, so that's what those 3 look like swatched. They swatch nicely. They look really pretty, so I'm very excited to try this palette out. It looks like they're all shimmer or metallic shades, but the black, let's swatch the black. The black is matte, so that is the only matte color in the palette. It rubs on my finger a little patchy. Oh, but it swatches nicer than I thought it was going to. And that is it. That is everything that came in this month's box. So the primer is a $38 retail value. The It Cosmetics Brow Pencil is $24. The eyeshadow palette is $25. The cheek palette is $34, and the lip paint is $23. So I mean, just one of these products alone more than pays for this box. This is by far my all-time favorite beauty subscription box this far that I've tried. I have tried 4. I've done the Boxycharm, Allure, and Sephora Play. I do those, and I put up videos every month of showing what I received in my box for that month. And then I used to have Ipsy, and I had that for about 6 months. So, and they're all good, but this one is definitely my favorite for the value that you're getting, and I like getting full-size products. I also do like the other ones where you get deluxe size, sample size products, because I do like to try stuff out to know if I like it and then to repurchase the full size. But this box is definitely my all-time favorite. And again, I do the Sephora Play, the Allure Beauty Box, and this Boxycharm box every month. I film a video to show you guys what comes in those boxes. So stay tuned for those. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see those, and then hit the notification bell and you'll be notified when I upload. And I'm really glad that you guys stopped and to see this video today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.